Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo. I'm from module in SMB 3D, and today I'll be showing you guys how to extract DNA from a banana. So first of all, you need to grab your water and your dish soap and just pour it into your water. Okay, so now you want to grab your salt and get at least 1 spoon of salt in there. And now just stir it. Okay, once the salt is fully dissolved, you want to peel open your banana. And put it in the plastic bag. I'm not going to use the whole banana because they're just gonna be too much. And now pour in your water and the other ingredients and just pour it inside. Don't pour too much though. Okay, now let me just close this. And I'm going to crush it. I'm going to crush the banana.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so now once your banana is crushed, you want to get a glass and open the bag with the strainer. Okay, so now once you're done extracting it, it should look like this. You want to grab your alcohol and pour it slowly. Now we just need to wait 5 minutes. So let's wait.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so 5 minutes have passed and let me just lift this really slowly and you can see there's some DNA. There's 2 layers, the bottom layer and then the top layer. Just gonna be pretty hard to see, so I'm going to use a flashlight. So as you can see right here, there's some DNA on the sides, right there. Let me just pull this up. So that is the DNA right here. That is the DNA. Okay, it's a bit hard for me to pull with this, but yeah, that's basically the DNA.